Hi and welcome. In today's video we're going to teach you a trick how to save all images from a Word file in one go without having to mess around with saving them individually. You might end up in this situation perhaps if you're a web designer who asks his client for images and they send it all in a Word file, which isn't really convenient. So we're going to head right into the tips so that you waste as little time as possible. First, we're going to open Explorer and head to the directory where the Word file is saved. If you put it somewhere on your desktop, navigate to your desktop in Explorer and find the file. Next, we're going to click the View tab and then go to Show Hide and make sure that File Name Extensions is checked so that you can see the extension of your Word file, like you can see over here. I will demonstrate the difference. Now you can see the extension, that is a default, and now you can see the extension. And what we're going to do in the next step is right click and rename. And the part we're going to rename is the extension, which is the .docx, and we are going to replace it with zip. Once that is done, we're going to hit enter and we're going to get a warning that we changed the file name extension, but that is exactly what we wanted, so we're going to click yes. Now you'll see that the file has changed into a zip file, which is perfect for what we want. And if you're using Windows 10, the next step is easy. Extract it by clicking the extract button on top of your Explorer and then click extract all. And we're going to extract, and what you see now is that you have a folder which you can open, and let's do exactly that. And what you want to do is open the folder and then go deeper, open the Word folder, and once that is done, open the media folder, and there you have it. In the media folder you will find all the images that were contained in the Word file. If this is the point where you think I know enough, I'm going to stop watching this video, then I thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want more of these types of videos, and if you're the curious type, we're going to take a few minutes, it will be short, to explain you just exactly why this works. The reason this trick works is because right now in the current form, docx files are actually like miniature websites, which means that your images are stored somewhere in a folder where they are called upon. You have seen that in the Word in the media folder. And I'm going to take another 30 seconds of your time if you want proof that I didn't just destroy a Word file, not that it's important, but what you can do is you can take the zip file and you can rename it again to docx. You're going to get that same warning and just click yes. And now everything is as it used to be. You can open the Word file again in Word. This will take a few seconds. Bear with. And then you'll see that the Word file is in one piece again. Say these are the same images. Well, let me drag out. These are the same images that you can see in the folder. Hopefully this trick helps you. Now, if you are a Linux user or a Mac user, no reason to panic. The same trick still applies, but the steps will be slightly different. But the idea remains same. Rename the file from .docx to zip and then extract the file, and you can go to the Word folder and the media folder and you'll find all the images. You don't have to have Word installed or anything, and that's the beautiful part about this trick. You don't need to be able to open docx files to get to the content. Hopefully this trick was useful for you. We hope to see you in another video. If you feel like it, you can subscribe to the channel and you will get notifications when we put other tutorials online. We hope to see you soon. Bye.